So find the zeros of each function by using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula, if, and I'm going to write that right up here, says if ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then x can be found by using the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So on number 53, the first thing we do is we set this to 0. 1x squared minus 3x minus 8. And we use, this is my a, that's my b, negative 3, that's my c. And then we employ the formula. So b is negative 3 and the formula is negative, so this is negative 3 plus or minus the square root negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 all over 2 times 1. Two negatives make a positive, so I have 3 plus or minus the square root. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 8 is a positive 32. And 2 times 1 is 2. So this then turns into 3 plus or minus the square root of 41 over 2. Realize that this indicates two answers: 3 plus square root of 41 over 2 and 3 minus square root of 41 over 2. That's the answer for number 53. Performing the same process for 55, set this to 0. So we have 2x squared minus 10x plus 18. This is my a, this right here is my b, and this is c. So we have x equals negative 10 plus or minus square root negative 10 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a, which is 2 times 2. You have x equals 10 plus or minus the square root. Negative 10 times negative 10 is a positive 100. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 18. 18 times 8 times 8 is 64. 4, put down your 6. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 6 is 14. 144. So that'll be negative 144. And this is all over 4. So I have 10 plus or minus the square root of negative 44 all over 4, which is the same as 10 plus or minus I 2 square root of 11 over over 4, which can be finally reduced to 5, which is the same as 5 plus or minus I root 11 over 2. And that would be the answer for number 55.